What if I told you that one of the best kept secrets to a thriving, lush garden is actually hiding in plain sight, right inside your kitchen pantry? Most of us overlook the simple ingredients we use every day, but sometimes the most powerful solutions are the ones we already have at home. Rice, a staple food found in kitchens around the world, holds incredible potential far beyond just being a dinner side dish. It's not just for eating. This humble grain can play a surprising role in your garden's health and vitality. When used in your garden, rice can help transform your plants from simply surviving to truly flourishing, making a visible difference in their growth and vibrancy. Instead of relying on complex, expensive fertilizers, rice offers a simple, affordable, and natural solution that's easy to use and gentle on the environment. Packed with life-building nutrients, rice nourishes not only your plants but also the soil itself, feeding the beneficial microorganisms that are essential for healthy, fertile earth. Unlike coffee grounds or eggshells, which are also popular kitchen scraps for gardening, rice provides unique benefits, offering a different set of nutrients and a slow, steady release of energy to your soil. It's a slow-release nourishment that not only strengthens soil structure, but also supports the growth of beneficial microbes, creating a thriving ecosystem right beneath your plants. So before you reach for those synthetic fertilizers at the store, take a look in your pantry. The answer to healthier, happier plants might be sitting right there in a simple bag of rice. Join me as we explore how this everyday grain can become your garden's new best friend, unlocking natural growth and vitality in ways you never expected. What makes rice so special for gardens, and why do so many gardeners swear by it as a secret ingredient for thriving soil? Rice is more than just a staple food for people. It's a carbohydrate powerhouse, providing a fantastic energy source for the living organisms in your soil. When you add rice to your garden beds or compost, you're fueling the bacteria and fungi that drive decomposition and nutrient cycling. These tiny soil workers are crucial for breaking down organic matter and making nutrients available to your plants. But rice isn't just about energy. It also contains essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the same key elements found in many commercial fertilizers. Plus, rice is packed with important micronutrients such as magnesium and calcium, which are vital for strong plant growth, healthy roots, and overall plant resilience. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that can overwhelm plants with a sudden rush of nutrients, rice breaks down gradually. This slow release prevents plant stress and helps maintain a balanced, healthy ecosystem in your garden. By harmonizing with the soil's natural rhythm, rice offers a steady, long-lasting supply of nutrients, supporting your plants through every stage of growth. When you add rice, you're not just feeding your plants directly, you're nourishing the entire soil ecosystem, creating a foundation for healthier, more productive gardens. Well-fed soil holds onto moisture better, develops improved structure, and naturally resists pests and diseases, leading to stronger, more resilient plants. In this way, rice acts as a natural soil conditioner, improving your garden's foundation and setting the stage for abundant harvests. This simple, everyday ingredient can have a profound impact on the complex, hidden world beneath our feet, supporting everything from earthworms to beneficial microbes. That's why rice truly deserves its reputation as a superfood, not just for people, but for your soil and your entire garden ecosystem. Let's talk about preparing rice for gardens. While rice is a staple in kitchens around the world, it can also be a secret weapon for gardeners looking to boost plant health and soil vitality. Pulverizing it into a fine powder is key. This simple step transforms ordinary rice into a powerful, fast-acting soil amendment that's easy to apply and highly effective. The difference lies in surface area. More exposure means faster nutrient release. When rice is ground, each tiny particle is exposed, allowing soil microbes to access nutrients much more quickly. Whole grains take months to decompose, delaying benefits. They break down slowly, which can be useful for long-term feeding, but not if you want quick results. Pulverized rice offers immediate nutrient access for soil microbes. The fine particles dissolve and integrate into the soil rapidly, energizing the microbial life that supports healthy plant growth. This rapid action provides plants with a quick, available food source. Young seedlings and transplants, in particular, benefit from this instant nutrition, helping them establish strong roots and vibrant foliage. It's perfect for seedlings, transplants, and flowering plants needing a boost. Whether you're starting seeds or encouraging blooms, pulverized rice can make a noticeable difference in growth and vitality. The powder supports plants during critical growth phases, ensuring they have the nutrients they need exactly when they need them most. While whole rice has its place, pulverizing it supercharges your soil. The difference in plant health and vigor is often dramatic, especially in the early stages of growth. It's worth the effort for quick, visible results. With just a little extra preparation, you can transform your garden and enjoy healthier, more productive plants in no time. Adding pulverized rice feeds the true heroes of the soil, microorganisms. These tiny creatures create living soil, breaking down matter and fighting pathogens. Carbohydrates in rice powder fuel microbial populations, enhancing soil health. Beneficial fungi and bacteria decompose rice, releasing nutrients steadily. This activity improves soil structure, creating air and water channels. Good soil structure prevents compaction and retains moisture. Microbes fueled by rice build a better home for plants. Vibrant plant growth results from a well-fed microbial army. By feeding them rice, you empower them to create a fertile environment. Ready to boost your garden naturally? Making rice powder is simple. Use any plain, uncooked rice. Affordable options work fine. For small gardens, start with 1 or 2 cups. Pulverize rice using a blender or grinder until it's powdery. Apply lightly for seedlings, more generously for larger plants. Work the powder into the soil and water thoroughly. This activates microbes and starts decomposition. Repeat every 4 to 6 weeks for continuous nourishment. Rice powder is an easy, effective way to enrich your garden. It's a sustainable choice for healthier plants. Rice isn't just for quick boosts, it's great for long-term soil health. In compost, rice energizes microbes, speeding up decomposition. Use leftover cooked or uncooked rice in your compost pile. It balances carbon-rich materials, enhancing composting efficiency. Whole rice grains decompose slowly, improving soil over time. This method builds soil structure and fertility, making gardens resilient. Rice is a long-term investment in soil health. To understand rice's impact, I experimented with 2 tomato plants. Both received identical care, except one got rice powder. Initially, both plants grew similarly. By 6 weeks, the rice tomato outpaced its neighbor. It had richer leaves, thicker stems, and more fruit clusters. By harvest, the rice tomato was bushier and more productive. The control tomato produced less fruit and was smaller. Rice powder significantly boosted plant health and productivity. This simple addition made a noticeable difference. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Rice shows we don't need synthetic chemicals for a productive garden. It's about embracing a holistic, sustainable approach. Rice rivals chemical fertilizers, offering remarkable results. It's affordable, making gardening accessible to all. Rice is a natural organic choice that enhances the environment. It builds a healthier, resilient soil ecosystem. Try using rice in your garden and see the results. Simple, natural solutions like rice grow greener gardens. Nature often holds the wisest secrets.